Hello, this is Johnny. I have a great news. Uh, we have a hack that actually fixed your joystick, and uh, thanks to Billy, he go by Mad Scientist. Okay, and I'll put on his description. You give him thank you and give him the credit because he's the one. He and his friends together, they work together, and they was able to get the button fixed. See that? There's no more issue. This is the one that I was doing the video a while ago, and I'll go ahead and put all of them together. I was talking about the speaker that was messed up that I had to remodify, and then this marquee light that was up here that I have added, but I took it off. That's the reason you don't see anything on top. You only see the 2 wire. But yes, this one have an 80 game. See that? It is an international version. It have the same graphic. His friend was able to I guess back up the image from the international, and then on top of it, he was able to add more game to it, and he was able to fix the using the original hack, and so therefore you don't have the issue. The image that we got from the person who created the hacker, his image was not, his hack was good, but at the same time is restricted, and also not all the device will hack okay. They will have issue where the joystick doesn't work. So this one, the joystick is working fine. Like you could play a game and you don't have to have it going crazy. And when I first boot it up, I look at it, it's not going crazy. Last time I boot it up and I just sit there and look at it, and the thing go crazy. So let's go ahead and start one game. This is the game that he have added into his collection. This is the 80 game that he have. Now, those of you who wanted to, now this is normal. When we first get this system, the one that is very sensitive, that's the one that after the hack it went crazy, and I was telling people we don't have a fix for it. So this is the one that actually fixed that, the one that I have that go crazy. Because when you first get it, when you moving left and right, it's acceptable, but then once in a while it'll jump up to the top. And that's happened to all the people that purchased this brand new unboxing Neo Geo Mini. And those are the one that if you hack, the joystick go crazy. But now we have the fix for it. So this image will actually fix your joystick, or not fully say fix, but it fixed the hack, but actually restore back, the way it was before we hack it. So that's pretty much that's what happened. So let's go ahead and start Metal Slush, and let's demonstrate the game. See, now my button right here is messed up because when I took it apart trying to put a marquee, I stacked the joystick on top of the monitor. It was heavy, and it bent the pin, and then I bent it back, which created the pin not solder, is kind of wiggling. So whenever I press the start button, it doesn't work. So I will have to open this up and resolder it so that way it won't have this issue. But that's just my thing that I did, because I was trying to fix my speaker, because I also plugged this in with the Neo Geo Pro stick, and I did not unplug the power. I left the power on, and when I plug it into Mini, it fried the speaker. So whenever you play a game, it have a static. It go pss, crazy. So those are the stuff that I damaged my own physical hardware that I need to go and fix it. But right now this image is good. So we're gonna pick a character and we're gonna see. And this is an international version, but has been modified with extra 40 more game. So my start button right now it's not working. It's not because of hack, it was because my cable here that's plugged into this motherboard is been kind of like loose. So now I have to like press it down and then press the start key. See, when I press it down, the start key is working now. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick the character. Now before the fix, whenever we pick a character, it keep on going to the left. So let's start the game, see what would it still do that. Okay, we just start the game and we're not gonna touch the joystick. And the character, once it come down, if it's broken, it's gonna keep on going to the left. It's not doing it no more. So the fix, this hack did fix it. Because everybody's waiting for the fix, and this is the fix finally. So thank you, Billy, and his friend. They did a great job to make this happen. So the fix is done. So what I'm gonna do is give you the image, and so you could download it. And then I'm gonna do another separate video where I'm going to try to use my image and use this portion of the file that he gave us to see if we can merge them together and still the joystick would be okay or not. Because my image right now is great. I have a lot of image, but the problem is it have a joystick issue. Okay. Wow, I just accidentally open up this option which I never know it existed. How they did that? Setup, debug, dim. Hey, this is the BIOS setup. How they did that? Okay, by holding the select key long enough, you get the BIOS setting come up. So let me hold the select key again. You hold it. Okay, let me do it again. Hold it again. Okay, so when you press it twice, this thing will come up. Okay, so 1, 2, and this option will come up. That's cool. I wonder if that would be the same for a different game. Now again, my start button is loose, so I need to hold the board and then press the start button. Well, let's get out here first. Okay, then I could get out because my start button is loose with the board. So I need to resolder that start. I don't know which one yet, but I'm gonna open up and wobble all the pins, see which one is wobbling, and resolder it. Okay. We got the excess out. So in the game, if you press the select button, you get that bio thing to come up. Okay, this bio, because set up the debug, and this is international, so I can't read that. It's a test the stage, debug dimmed. Let's see what each of this mean. Yeah, interesting. Can't read all that, but it's interesting. Let's press select again and get it out. Oh, I can't get out. How do I get out? Ah, shoot. Okay. The last one is the one you press the B button to get out. Alright, so I need to get out of the game. So hold the board, press start. There you go. Alright, press A, get out. Alright, let's try a different one, see if that is true. If that's how you get the bio to come up all the time. Now, last time we tested this one before. And I was saying that they do have an option screen. So you press star.
Metal float.
I need to pick it up again. Press the star. Okay, remember I was telling you that the option screen is up here. That is built in, and then you could go in and give yourself like more life. Okay, like right here, you could give yourself more life, 5 life instead. And difficulty, you can make it memory card not formatted. Ugh. A, yes. B, no. I don't format it. What did I do? Difficulty. Easy. Okay. Alright, so they even a key mapping? Yeah, you can remap your key. Okay, so this is come in with the system built in. Okay, now let's get out here and we're gonna press B again and let's just start the game. Okay, so let me see if I can zoom in this more and bring this down. When I was sitting on top of my laptop, so all right. Okay, so we're gonna press A. Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna start the game and see if we could get the other screen to come up.
Mission 1, start.
Okay, this one doesn't have it. Maybe this one is the original one that came with the system. That wasn't the one that that was added. Yeah, but it does have 4 life, but it doesn't take me to the. Yeah, it doesn't take me. It just make the screen damped, so it didn't take me to the other screen. All right, so let's see if we could go ahead and get out of this game. Alright, press A. Alright, let's go to the second one then. See, I don't know which one is the original, which one is the one that he added. Because I should look at my international version. Let's see. I don't know. That's just the Metal Slot 5. Let's try Metal Slot 4. Okay, press star. My star doesn't work, so I'm gonna pick it up. Okay, so this one also have those options screen. Okay, so we're just gonna start a game and.
Okay. Mission 1, start.
Yes, it does have the option. So the one that he have added, it gave you this option. Apparently it does. Okay, so you could go to the bio by pressing the select button. We have two screens. You saw the first one that we just skipped. This is the second one. Okay, this one you could select those different ones. Okay, test the stage, or I don't know what those mean. But yeah, so you could access the bio based on this hack. Okay, so let's get out by just pressing B, and it hits the game. Okay, so I can't get out, so I have to hold the button again, so I could press the 2 buttons to get out, because my board, I need to fix it so I don't have to keep on push the bottom. But this is the demo I'm going to show you. So I'm going to post a new patch that with this 80 game and this fix, so you could get your joystick fixed. Now you might be asking, well, Johnny, you got a lot of image out there, and I want to create my own image. I don't want, so some of the game here, there's a game that I like is not here, and I want it, and so can I modify it? And I bet a lot of people is going to ask me that. So right now I'm not going to do that, but I will test that question that you guys going to ask me is, can I able to use your old image and use his hack the overclock, his is overclock plus bio and plus joystick fix. So there's three things that is on this hack. Apparently it looked like that, but since I'm so new to this too, I want to go ahead and test it before I put the other video out showing you how to take my image and how to apply this image with my image to make this work where the joystick will work. Okay, but if you take all the three images that came from this system and go and put it on your mini hack, it will automatically look like mine. Okay, which everything is working. Okay, so let me go and show you how to do that, and you could go from there, and then after that we could do something else. All right, so let me go to this other computer that I'm borrowing my son's laptop, and what I did is I did a screen capture of all the stuff that I did, and so let me go ahead and do that.